What? You didn't speak any Korean this week? That's okay. You have this right here 20 minutes with me to speak Korean naturally. What I brought today, last time you loved this series, so I brought it again, where we're gonna shadow a natural Korean dialogue together. I brought you something super practical that you guys can use at a restaurant to order in Korean. So, shall we dive in? Just like last time, I'm gonna show you English right here. And then at the end, I'm gonna show you Korean, but you don't have to depend on any Korean because you're just listening to me and immediately you're gonna shadow after me, right? Because the goal of this video is to have you speak Korean, to have you produce sound from your mouth. Because the truth is, you're not just gonna like passively listen to Korean and then expect you to get better at speaking. That's not what we're gonna do. So be an active learner with me because that's what I hope for you. I'll be an active teacher pouring out love and motivation and my energy to you. So you be an active student too. So you can get better at Korean. And also, probably on your way watching my video, your heart gets motivated and inspired. And hopefully that also flows out to other areas of your life. Yes? Okay, then before I show you the dialogue, in case you're new here, I just want to tell you that I have resources available for you on my website because I'm just like a one stop for everything. Many people told me that. And in the description, I'm going to show you some of the resources too that you need. But because we're focusing on the shadowing practice, I want to show you and tell you that we do have a shadowing course available with 57 dialogues. Because I know K dramas, like when you watch it, it's hard to shadow because they speak so fast. So recently, I came up with this course. You guys have been loving it. I've never had a course that, like, signed up this fast. Like, every course did really well, but this one, in like a few weeks, we had like a 600 signups. You guys loved this course. So please do feel free to check it out if your main goal is to speak Korean but you have no partner to speak Korean because I want to be there for you. What you do, you will see all kinds of topics like family or eating with your friend or parents or like pet, like you just name it. And then you click on a chapter and you listen to like dialogues and then you can repeat after us. So you can do listening practice, you can get better at speaking without a partner because I'm there with you. Okay? So feel free to check it out. It's called Shadowing Studio, where you come in and just watch the videos on your own time when you have time and improve your speaking. So I'll have that in the description and on my website too. So now let's get started to today's dialogue. This is what I have for English. So you see, it's like at a restaurant, you are sitting down and you're gonna be welcomed by the worker there, and then you will make sure like you say, oh yeah, I have practiced this enough. I know how to say this in Korean. Yeah, next time you go to a Korean restaurant after this video. Let's get started. So it says, welcome. How many people? Hold on. I just want to make sure that I have this one right in front of me. Okay, so that is welcome. 어서 오세요. You've heard of that, right? In a restaurant, they always say that. 어서 오세요. 어서 오세요. Go ahead. How many people is 몇 분이세요? 몇, how many? 분 is a measure word for counting people politely. 몇 분이세요? 몇 분이세요? Go ahead. Okay, all together. 어서 오세요. 몇 분이세요? There you go. Don't think and read, or just don't think about Korean here on the screen. Just repeat after me. That is the goal of this video. Okay, do not get distracted. Just hear it and say it so you can get better at intonation, the rhythm, the pronunciation. Even if you don't speak it perfectly, as you keep repeating after me and as you watch this 5 times, watch it improve. You will pick up the tone and pronunciation. You know what I mean? Like repetition is power. And then B goes, 2 people. 2명이요. 두 명이요. 두, well, that comes from native number. It's 둘, but you drop the 받침 두. You simplify it when there is a counter, which is a 명, counting people's measure word. 두 명이요. Okay. And then A's like, oh, please sit over here. That's 이쪽에 앉으세요. 이쪽, this way. 이쪽에 앉으세요. So good. And then we go, thank you. What is it? You know this. If you've been around my channel, you're watching K-dramas and you know this one. What is it, everybody? 감사합니다. 감사합니다. Yes. And then A, the waiter asks, well, would you like cold water or hot water? So first, let's break down cold water. That's 차가운 물. Water is 물. If you think about pool and 물, there's like a similarity there. You will see 물 in the pool. There's connection, right? So 차가운 물. And then hot water or warm water is 따뜻한 물. So I'll say 따뜻한 물로 드릴까요? No. Wait, I'll say cold water first. 차가운 물로 드릴까요? 아니면 따뜻한 물로 드릴까요? 차가운 물로 드릴까요? 따뜻한 물로 드릴까요? Go ahead. 차가운 물로 드릴까요? 따뜻한 물로 드릴까요? And then B goes hot water. This is so cultural. Like Korean people always will sit down and they'll ask for hot water. Like I always do. Even in summer, I'm like, yeah, hot water, please. And then I shock my friends and they're like, you know, but I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna be traditional Korean getting hot water in summer. So hot water, what did I say? 따뜻한 물로 주세요. 따뜻한 물로 주세요. You know 주세요? Like, please give me liter 남준 주세요. You've been watching that little like reels everywhere. So 주세요 is right there. 따뜻한 물로 주세요. Yes. And then they bring the water and A's like, hey, are you ready to order? That's 주문하다 is to order. Now I'm going to say it politely. 주문하시겠어요? 주문하시겠어요? Go ahead. And then B's like, yeah. One hot stone bibimbap. This is my favorite. And one soft tofu stew, please. Have you had the stone pot bibimbap and like a tofu stew, like a little spicy one? It's so good, the perfect combination. So go yes is 네, 네. 돌솥 비빔밥 하나랑 돌솥 비빔밥 한 stone. 순두부찌개 하나 주세요. One more time. 돌솥 비빔밥 하나랑 순두부찌개 주세요. I forgot to say 하나. 돌솥 비빔밥 하나랑 순두부찌개 하나 주세요. Go ahead. 돌솥 비빔밥 하나랑 순두부찌개 하나 주세요. You can substitute hot-stone bibimbap or tofu stew with any food you like here and order. Okay? And then A goes, how spicy would you like? 맵기는 어떻게 해드릴까요? 맵기, the spicy level. 맵기는 어떻게 해드릴까요? 맵기는 어떻게 해드릴까요? And less spicy, please. That's 덜 맵게 해주세요. So quick interesting point here. 더 with the d and is more. But if you add the L, 덜, that's less. So I said 덜 맵게 해주세요. Less spicy, please. Can you try that? 덜 맵게 해주세요. There you go. And then A's like, okay, got it. 알겠습니다. 알겠습니다. So far, you've been shadowing so well. High five. I'm not saying shadow me perfectly with perfect pronunciation. You are just shadowing, moving your mouth. That's what counts. I'm telling you. The second time you do it, third time you do it, fourth time you do it, fifth time you do it, you're going to keep getting better. And that is the goal. Not perfection on your first time. Try. No, 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 no. The fact that you opened your mouth today and spoke Korean, that's going to count towards your success. Okay, while eating, they go, excuse me, can we have more side dishes? All the side dishes in Korean restaurants are free, you know. Side dishes are 반찬. Can you say that? Not 방찬. Yeah, it could be that too, but 반찬 with the n. 반찬, 반찬. So, excuse me, 저기요, 저기요. 반찬 좀 더 주세요. Not 덜, this time more. 더 주세요. 반찬 좀, little. 더 주세요. Little is like for, I think, I'm not saying just a little, give me a little, but little is there for politeness. Like, I'm not saying, please give me the punch on everything you have in the kitchen. No. Like, we are a little passive and polite in our speech. So, 좀 always goes in there just to make it polite and cute. So, 반찬 좀 더 주세요. 저기요, 반찬 좀 더 주세요. Right? And then A's like, yes. 네. It could add yes. I'll bring it. 네. 가져다 드릴게요. 네. 가져다 드릴게요. And then B's like, thank you. You guys all know that. What is it? 감사합니다. Right? And then everything is so delicious. 다 너무 맛있어요. 맛있다. You know that? 다 너무 very 맛있어요. Delicious. 다 너무 맛있어요. Oh, you guys are rocking this. I think that's it. We could, of course, say like, yeah, eat well, eat deliciously. Korean people say 맛있게 드세요. 맛있게 드세요. The waiter could say that. All right, so that is all the English that you saw here, and then you heard me Korean, you spoke in Korean. Now I think I'm ready to reveal you Korean. Yes? Should we just say the Korean version only? Do you think that would help? Yes, that will help because repetition is power. The more you repeat it, you're going to catch on to other things that you missed before. So let's just do Korean only. Ready? 어서 오세요. 몇 분이세요? 두 명이요. 이쪽에 앉으세요. 이쪽에 앉으세요. 감사합니다. 차가운 물로 드릴까요? 따뜻한 물로 드릴까요? I think I'm going to have you repeat this one because it's longer. 차가운 물로 드릴까요? 따뜻한 물로 드릴까요? And the choice is 따뜻한 물로 주세요. 따뜻한 물로 주세요. Brings water. 주문하시겠어요? 네. 돌솥 비빔밥 하나랑 순두부찌개 하나 주세요. 맵기는 어떻게 해드릴까요? slower. 맵기는 어떻게 해드릴까요? By the way, in the shadowing studio, the course that I have, I speak a lot slower because I want you guys to really get every word and I analyze everything. So you guys can really have the vocab down too. And then 덜 맵게 해주세요. Nice job putting 덜, not 더, 덜 less. 네, 알겠습니다. And then while eating, we're like, we need more 반찬, right? 저기요. 반찬 좀 더 주세요. 더 주세요. 네, 가져다 드릴게요. 감사합니다. 다 너무 맛있어요. 맛있게 드세요. That's eat deliciously, eat well. Okay, so that's Korean version and you got the English up here. We got it all here for the dialogue that we practiced today. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know how this went for you. And as I said, the first time you will not catch everything. So I hope that you watch this 5 times because the second time it's going to feel different. Third time, you're going to feel like a little bit more confident. Fifth time, it's automatic. Okay, so really watch this unfold as you repeat as many times as you like. Because to improve your speaking, what do you have to do? To speak more Korean. Not watch more Korean, not listen to more Korean. You gotta actually make your mouth move and do the work. Like, I cannot expect my arms to get like buff without lifting any weight. Not like just watching lifting weight reels. No, right? So I want the best for you. Just know teacher's hard. I'm always caring for you and thinking about what's best for you. And I'm reading all your comments everywhere on YouTube. So thank you for all your love and all your expressions and all your thank yous and everything. It really cheers me up and makes me excited to come up here. So thank you for all your heart and passion. I love you so much. And if you are looking for other stuff, other videos to watch on YouTube, you can check out these videos. And if you're looking for resources, you can check in my descriptions and my website to browse everything that you need for reading, speaking, grammar, you name it. All right. And I'll see you next time. 안녕.